Yo, the sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together. Better now than never.
Alright, gang. Yo, what up? Yo, hold on, gang. Hold on. Let me adjust all my indicators because it's
I'm
starting
sorry, y'all.
to go. Alright, look much better now. Let me move this. Alright, bet. Alright, much better. Alright, gang. Today, yo. Oh man. I ain't gonna lie, I had a rough day. I didn't know the swings was gonna get hit that hard, so basically my swings was too red for me to even try to recover, especially we're only doing 2 day trades. Cat and PFE wasn't gonna recover those gains. Um Overall, this should look honestly, this looks unexplainable right here, to be honest. So we got 3 candles and it's green, obviously, but the bulls didn't really rip higher. So what I'm trying to say is the bulls is looking weak right now. Very weak. Very weak. So yeah, I expect SPY to drop a little more. I think we're gonna test at least 450. After hours is already down like 454 if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure before I'm talking out my mouth. Um and AMD ripped after hours to freaking sell off a little bit, so it couldn't hold. So yeah, we're at 454.70. But we're not gonna go off that because what happened yesterday, we was 458 after hours, and everybody thought it was gonna open green, and look what happened. It might have been the data, but the data wasn't that bad, so actually came in line, more or less. So the market just slowly melt us. So it's probably gonna slowly melt us more a little tomorrow until we test that 450. 450 on SPY is key for me. So if we go below that, then yeah, I might be switching hats. So the level that I'm gonna watch tomorrow, since we're already at 454.70, makes sense just to watch 454. So tomorrow, watch 454. If we go under that, then short it. Short it to at least 452. We should definitely go to 453 if it goes under 454. I don't think. I mean, if we do decide to go long, I don't see how SPY is gonna push long right now, the way it's looking. But yeah, I will go long. Not even 455.50. Yeah, you will have to wait until we reclaim 457 to go long. So watch 457. I'm gonna put it here for you. Hold on. 457. It's around here basically. It's probably around my dotted line. Holy smokes. Yeah, almost by my dotted line. So I'm gonna say around here. I'm gonna erase this one. So 457.05, we go long because that was a level that today we was struggling to get back to. It was dancing on 456. And I even wrote it in the chat that 456 level is a bitch. And it was dancing all over 456 and went right under after I was under 456. So we just got to keep in mind if SPY's gonna keep trading within this channel, just keep in mind like 456 is a key area because I remember last week when SPY was ripping towards like 52-week highs, 456 was a reject area and it kind of just flushed right under when it went under 456. So keep that number in mind. So tomorrow it could possibly pump to 456. I don't want you guys to get excited. You might want to use that as a reject area. So 456, it flushed under. So 457. 05 go long and 454 to try to short her. I'll be underneath here. It's already at 4. Damn, that's a big drop. Yeah, SPY. It's looking like it's gonna fill this area tomorrow morning, bro. It's crazy. I did not see this drop coming. So I'm gonna go for the risky ass calls. I mean puts, sorry. I'm probably gonna wait for 54.10 for the risky one. 454 puts, but if it goes under 454, then yeah, we should definitely drop at least to look 452.60. So that's a good move on SPY. More value, I think, to the downside. Nothing saying bull. Look at this. Where look, one rejected, second rejection lower, kind of telling us the bears is freaking coming in. A third rejection, even lower. So, and this, I don't even gotta blow it up. Look how big this fucking MACD stick is to the downside. So, yeah, SPY looking very bearish. Yeah, MACD is bearish. Everything's bearish. This is nasty ass pattern. It doesn't even exist, that pattern in my head. All right, so QQQs. Well, I'm coming with vengeance tomorrow. I'm mad. So QQQs has like a ugly morning start just because of this red doji. Like honestly yesterday when I saw this, I was kind of iffy on it, but now it just solidified with the move it did today. So it put in a green candle just like SPY, but this is rejecting already RSIs, going downward. The MACD is trying to fool us, I guess, but it's so far extended. It tried to go up. The Bears was trying to get exhausted, but the Bears couldn't get exhausted. This MACD stick or bar actually matched yesterday's. So if the Bears was actually getting exhausted, like I was saying, this MACD bar will be smaller, cascading small, but no, it matched. So tomorrow it could easily flicker into a dark red one, or this MACD could easily start going down. So the Bears are still in. I'm gonna watch it underneath my 21. So as soon as we get here, wait, a little lower. I want to break. There we go. We breaking some resistance in the past. So the Qs to go short, you will have to watch 378.95. Don't long her unless you get above these wicks over here. So I have an alert here. You could get in around here, which is, let me verify. So we got a 385.30 level. Yeah, 385.30. The only thing is, you got to start trimming once you get to, see, it's not worth the risk. All right, it's a short reward. So I'm gonna keep my alert back to where it was at. Is it even gonna go back? Nope. All right. So let me bring it up. I remember where I had it. Hold on. It was around here. Yeah, do not go long unless she reclaims 385.90 for 386 calls. But overall, bearish. So let's look at ES real quick on the daily together, real quick to see what ES is snitching on us. So ES, see yesterday, seeing this candle on ES could have gave us the snitch move that yes, we're gonna be heavy. So, and we gapped down on ES. Oh, I didn't even notice this until now. There's a little gap right here between this candle and this candle. The wick is right here and the other wick starts. So that's a small little gap down. So ES kind of low-key snitched from yesterday. Yep, look.
I was in a little bear bias earlier today, man. I can't hold you.
And yep, she sees it. So this is, look, a pivot here. Lower, it already ripped that support, so there's no reason. Damn, fucking yes. Yeah, everything's downside, bro. So ES, I feel like it's gonna play with this level tomorrow. If we go lower than this, 46.60, then it's gonna probably get a little heavy until here, which is what zone is this? This is a 45-40 zone around there. So yeah, ES should definitely go down here. I don't see it ripping back up after this little gap down, especially with the price action we got today. It was horrendous, just as bad as yesterday. At least yesterday they gave us a glimpse of hopes end of the day, but they didn't give us no hope today. So we got some bears definitely in play. Now tomorrow is Wednesday, so downtrend. We have been downtrending though. I don't want you guys to think, oh, we still up to, because yesterday it didn't go back up to like the highs where SPY was. It was slowly chopping us down. Today it slowly chopped us down and brought us a little bit more down. So technically we've been downtrending slowly for 2 days, and SPY is giving us green candles. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. So tomorrow is the third day. So we could see some type of reversal, maybe exhaustion from 2 trending days to the downside. So I do want to catch a bounce, if anything. If we get around here, I'll look to go long on SPY. I'll definitely look to go long if we hold around here, obviously. Not if we slice, but if I see some price action holding around here, then then I could start thinking about possibly third day reversal on this downtrend on SPY. So I expect us to come down a little bit. Overall, SPY and Qs was really not the ones to play today. Might as well stick to the names, the regular names, because there was the one pretty much blessing the stock market, like Caterpillar, Pfizer, Affirm, UPST. There's a few names there that I know a lot of traders overlook. So let's see. All right, so start with this watch list. Man, okay. All right, so everything was basically sold red, some were green. Kind of took a jab at whatever I seen showing some strength, even though SPY was pushing down. Humana, let me see. Humana. See, looks bearish, right? Humana, bearish play, right? So if we do drop hard, Humana's probably gonna evening star here, gang. This is a green candle, red doji. This is a whole recipe for evening. So if it evening stars, probably gonna bounce here. So probably gonna open lower. Let me see. 483. 483. I'm bugging. 453. All right, 453. Could go to all the way to at least here, which will be 448. All right, so I will watch it around here. Right on the, basically, once we get underneath the body of this doji, I think it's gonna do what I said, the evening star. So this right here on this wick, it's not really strong support because I don't really see a lot of bounce on this level. I actually see a rejection right here. So yeah, we're gonna wait. Sneaky entries right under this VWAP basically is the entry that I'm looking for. Now, it might not keep tanking, so best bet, I'll be honest, is to try to day trade it. Um, Now if the evening star does play out, like I said, then yeah, it would be a swing, because usually evening stars, if you catch the whole red candle on the daily, it'll drop a little more on the next day. At least the opening, like 5 to 10 minutes, it'll drop before it decides to reverse. So if it reverses, so Humana could be a good swing to the downside. BioMarin. I don't even know why I'm looking at help after murder, but let me see. Okay, so look, BioMarin looks bullish as F. Look at this big ass candle on the daily. Holy smokes. So there might be some nicks and crayons that could be Ripper. Because look, the market was bleeding today, right? Downside, and look at Laser. Laser went off. My boy Kleiman killed that play, so never know. This might be a bull one tomorrow. So I'm gonna wait till we get above my 50, but that candle is undeniable and we're not gonna ignore it.
Yo, the second entry looked fucking crazy.
On Laser, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
You gotta keep that one on lock.
So that's
It sold off pretty crazy at first, like after hours. That wick
yeah,
down.
everything. Even AMD couldn't hold. So
Oh,
AMD sold off a little bit too, bro. I didn't hold.
Oh shit, I haven't even looked. Spy
Yeah.
sell out too?
Yeah, Spy sold off. Yeah,
Spy
AMD.
dumped after hours.
Yeah,
Oh
to
shit.
454, bro. So yeah,
Oh shit.
so we gotta keep in mind tomorrow. But I was just telling the chat that don't mean nothing because remember last night claiming Spy was what ripping green 458, and look, so we gotta see what happens when we wake up. But right now, it's looking heavy.
Take it day by day.
Yeah, and ES is looking a little heavy, and that daily on Spy looks mind-boggling to me.
Yo, what's crazy is Bitcoin is ripping right now.
Yeah. All right, so this one potential morning star on Trimax Corporation. This is buy area, right? Obvious. I don't even gotta put a line or a rectangle. You guys see where my dotted line's at. This is where this ticker likes to move. So if we do morning star tomorrow, I believe we gotta build up right here. Right here. So this is one of the plays that I'm feeling type bullish on. Okay. And this already kicked up a little bit, so that's not bad. And it has already been getting smoked 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 days straight, and then today put in a green candle on support. So that's not bad. We tend to look for those things. So this one is probably it's one of the bulls out of my chart. Let me see what else I got. X. Fuck, how the hell that big ass bee got in here? Hold on, yeah. I'm about to get stung by a bee. Hold on. What the hell? There you go. Get out of here. You pay rent. All right. All right, there you go.
Yo, I thought you were talking about a pattern.
Nah, bro, a bee was all over my. Oh shit! It was up against the window, trying to get out, and I killed it.
Yo, this shit ain't no joke, bro.
Yeah, I couldn't make that up, bro. All right, I'm good. I'm good. Let's get it. All right, so I was talking about X. That's what I was talking about. X. Sorry about that. So X materials, steel. So we got 1, 2, 3 days of green, right? Everything still looks good to the upside. None looks bearish. This looks bullish. So I just wait till we crack over here. So I'm gonna put it right here for you guys. I'll put 05. I like that 05. If you notice, I put 05 with 10s. All right, so Yeah, X looks good, man. Look, this was the major like support that we was waiting X to crack, and it did it finally, and it held it today. It wicked yesterday, but it held it today with more strength. So possibly see some continuation. It looks bullish, not bearish. So I mean, if you do see some that I don't see, once X reaches 2590 zone, is that 20? Yeah, it is 2590 zone or almost 26. Like if you see some type of bearish on the whatever time frame you use, I use the 15 and the 1. So if I see something bearish on the 15, then obviously it'll be a double top, crazy short, and like it'll be a fire short in my opinion. So, but I think it's gonna go up just because this is telling me it's gonna push up. And today the market wasn't really good to us, and look at the strength it shows. So if the market does decide to start pushing to the upside, then actually even go stronger. Because today it had a good move, but not a strong move, basically. LMT. So we was talking about LMT over the weekend. If you caught it on the bottom, like I was mentioning on day trade, I'm sorry, on Sunday's watch list, I was like, oh, LMT's at support. I believe it was this candle. It was a green candle on support. So I was like, oh, LMT could bounce. Yesterday, yeah, it sold off, but today, today it came in with vengeance. So I got my alert still there, and today it almost kissed it. The wick is right there, so I'm gonna leave it there. I feel like that's a comfortable zone. Um, it looks bullish though. Look, starting to build, and this needs to get out of this negative area on the MACD. It's disgusting. Oh my God. Yeah, it needs to get out of there, but at least we got a 10 change. So if LMT breaks this, LMT should definitely go to at least 455 with no problem. So that's a big account play, of course. Mohawk. Mohawk. Let me see why I like Mohawk. MHK. Okay. Oh, I see why it bounced off of right here, resistance. And this was the break. Mohawk broke out on this day, and now it's bouncing off of this break on this day. And it's bouncing off the 50. So Mohawk, wait until we get over here for Mohawk to go long. 35, okay. Let me see. Yep, nice little pivot to the upside. This is on the positive side. That's the good thing. The bear's been in here for a while, but it's probably gonna 10 change tomorrow. Cause look, 1, 2, 3. We had 3 down days already, and that's when the bears was in. So could definitely see a good reversal on Mohawk tomorrow. So watch that one. JPM looks bearish. JPM looks bearish under. Let's see what level I got on JPM. 156. Yeah. So JPM looks heavy on the 156. You go for the 155 puts. I think, yeah, definitely. So look, bearish. Wow, 1, 2, triple top, not triple top, but you know what I mean. Rejection was lower on these triple rejections. It kept being lower, and we got a 4th lower one today. Now, once it loses this support on the R side, this thing's gonna dump. Probably to here, next level here. But nothing bullish. Look, this is about to kiss, literally. So tomorrow might be the flush on JPM if they don't open it lower, but definitely watch that 450. What I said, sorry, not 456, 156 area. Definitely watch 156 to go short on it. I would personally, I don't know about holding it. Honestly, I'll think about trimming, not holding it just because we don't know if the market might wanna reverse tomorrow off this 2 days of chopness to the downside. So no, just rather be safe, man. Take your coins. I'm gonna be day trading all the way until most likely the whole week on because this price action is horrible. Okay, so let me put this. Wait, I didn't even put the 154. I mean 155 right here. 156 for the 155. It's gonna be right below that candle, yo. This big red one. Hold on. Right here, this big red candle. Right below that one we enter. Hasbro, all right, Hasbro. Ripping after hours. What you trying to tell us, Hasbro? There's a bull market in you? Let's see. Yeah, the chart looks fire. Alright, so I'm gonna wait till we get at least. I'm gonna watch it above here. I'm gonna delete this right here. I'm gonna watch it above here.
They got earnings soon too, broski.
Yeah, in 2 days. Yep. It might be an earning run up Thursday morning. Yeah, once it gets here, it's good to watch because this is the only thing that's stopping it, this little wick, and which is not a strong resistance, as you could tell, because it only wicked there once. The strong resistance is where it's at right now. So it says after hours, we are literally right here, right at resistance. So just watch it there, on Hasbro. Apparently they've been doing good with, I guess, this Barbie nonsense that everybody's raging about. So okay, I like Hall again, team. We played Hall last week on the swing, and it printed. So this time we might play her on the downside. Wow. Yep. Let me see this. This is not the one, is it? No, this is not it. This is not Hall Burn. Thank God I looked.
Bro, they always get me, bro. I fucking hate that ticker.
Yeah, I looked at the price. I'm like, yo, I'm bugging. All right, there
That
we go.
Indian ass company always gets me, bro.
So yeah, in my head, I'm like, this one look bullish. Why I look bearish now? All right, there we go. Now we're matching mindset. All right. So we got a nice hammer candle on the daily. But what I like about this hammer candle is engulfing this prior one. So it shows that it has strength, like to go maybe one leg higher. A lot of room here too with the Bali. This looks good. It already crossed. It looks like it wants to go higher. Let's look at this Mac. Oh, look, the Mac is crossing upside. So this is a go bull play, I think, for tomorrow. Um, it's gonna be hard to put a breakout level because it's really nothing up there. But let me see on my phone. 'Cause I'll be looking at my line graphs a lot too. Let me see. Let me see. Is this all? No, okay. So Hall has a resistance of 38.89. Yeah, 38.89. That was key. It already broke that. We're at 39, right? So we're trying to see if Hall could go to 40, basically. Because Hall does have room at least to 40 to 41 based on the history that I'm seeing. So I'ma just, man, let me see what's this Thursday. I'll watch her 65. To see if she wants to go to 40 or maybe 41. But yeah, I like this one to the upside. Some energy names look good. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Another one that looks good was Nova Inc. Nova Inc. Sorry, not Nova. Nova Inc. It's not the prettiest, but it's kind of three white soldiers, man. You know, black crows, but it's looking like soldiery over here. So it's just that this one kind of killed the pattern. This one was great because it was totally separated. This one kind of went inside, but you already know these patterns don't have to be perfect to play out. So I like no calls 21. They don't even care how overbought it is. It's still strong. And this is really strong. Yeah. Trying to get the 21 calls on no. Let me see. It's already at 20, almost 0.5. Damn. I'll have to wait for a pullback around 2015. So right around here. I'll wait for a pullback. I mean, honestly, I don't think it's gonna rip up. I think it's gonna pull back and then rip up. Only because I already put 2 green candles. So yeah, I'll watch this on the bounce around here. But definitely looks prime for some continuation. Strength to the upside. Lulu, why did Lulu catch my attention? Oh, Lulu has been having inside days on this candle. It looks good, yeah. This would be the sneaky entry right here, to be honest. This 380, 380. Yeah, it'll give you like a $2 move, then 385 is where you have to either take profit, or if you see price action is in your favor, obviously you could just ride it. After 385, it's definitely gonna go at least up to 387 almost. But yeah, the sneaky entry will be like right here. I'll say right over here at 383.5. But yeah, it looks bullish. This is good. And this looks good too. So Lulu. Oh, I mean, Lulu, what else I got? Oh, Alta. Damn, I haven't played Alta in a minute ever since I swung it with Nami. Let's see what Alta look like. Yeesh. Whoa. My God. I did not know it was this nasty. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Yo, 2 weeks of blood on Alta? That is,
How did we miss? I didn't, bro. There's no way I saw that.
bro, that is a
That's
massacre.
crazy. Hey, nah,
Yo,
Myrna looks worse, bro. Fuck Myrna.
this one, yo, that's crazy. 14. All right.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
wild.
This candle obviously was the day that it ripped up. You see it here, right? Looking like it wants to dance around here to try to. Damn, bro. I kind of want to catch a reversal. I don't even think we should chase down anymore. 14 days of, yeah.
Were you thinking, bro, right there at that gap fill? Right at
Yo,
425 to 430 area?
yeah, bro. I don't think I'll. It's like catching a falling knife. That's why.
I do it every day, bro. Don't worry. I'll go in first.
It's just, yo, bro, it could just bounce. Like, look, and then look, this they already tint change. So it could definitely just reverse in this price area. Yeah, I wouldn't even try to go short. I don't think Alta's gonna go below this zone. So I'm expecting us to open lower. I've been saying that. So I'm I'm gonna take off this line. I'm gonna put a bounce alert here. I don't think I want to short Alta. It's just been too many days. And I normally would not, like as a trader, the trader in me would not, oh, let me chase puts after 14 days red. Like I wouldn't even do that. That's what I'm trying to say. Nah, I'd rather wait for a bounce and catch the crazy reversal out the money. Let me see, 438. Yeah. 436, sorry, 436. Now, given if we do lose 432, then yeah, we could go down at least 2. Well, it's gonna be a bloodbath maybe for, there's a wick here, so should bring it to like 430, but I think it's gonna have some reversal opportunity. And if I draw a trend line like from here up, it's kind of respecting it. And if I put it closer to this wick, obviously it'll go under a little bit. But I like, honestly, I like the long play. But yeah, bro, if you want to short it, man, you could by all means take the risk, man. You're an experienced trader, so. But I'm giving you my opinion. It's gonna be tough to short this one after 14 days, bro. So
I agree.
I'm maybe if it was fourth day red, I'd be like, yeah, maybe we could trade. But they have 14 days. I never did that. All right, so I'm looking for a bounce on that one. KC caught my attention. Let me see why. Oh shit, KC wicked crazy today. Let me see something. Looking heavy on. Damn, looking heavy on all indicators. I don't think it's worth it. Let me see, 34.96. This goes under our VP line. 35. I mean, yeah, you could. They do got 50 cents increment strike prices, so if it does go under the VP line, you could definitely grab 35 puts, and that will probably print you almost in the money or kissing in the money. I mean, out of 5, I'll give this a 2.5. It won't be a high grade play, only because, yeah, once we flush, it could easily bounce around here because that was the most recent bounce zone. Well, the lowest, we're going off the lowest bounce zone of past what, 2-3 weeks. So I don't think it's gonna respect this area just because of how the market is. It did respect it here on the daily on the wick, but it's not looking bullish at all. Oh, and look, I didn't even know they got ER tomorrow after hours. So would I want to put this on your plate tomorrow knowing that they got ER? Yeah, I'll fuck it. Why not? We don't gotta pay the ER. We could just day trade it, but it looks heavy. Heavy. Yeah, you don't gotta pay the ER. So I will just watch it, like I said, on the 35. Let's do 45 right here. Now, given they could,
I was just gonna put that in your mind, bro. That rising support.
yeah, they could bounce. It could bounce just because of the daily wick. They could bounce, but this is saying bearish, and usually these ERs they like to trend by like the quarters. So if you look at a 3-month span, right, on KHC, right, approaching, mind you, approaching ER as well. It looks like they have not been making money. It looks like they have been making less money. So it could, yeah, it could potentially rip. Look, KC went lower over here, so there's lower levels on KC. So I'm just saying that because sometimes ERs do play out like that. Like if you look within 3 months of the quarter and you see that the company's not making money or it's sideways, sometimes sometimes you could say, oh, all right, this company made money. I could easily try to call the ER. That's why I think my opinion, Starbucks today, I think that's why it went flat. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow morning, but obviously they didn't rip the roof for ER. But if you look at Starbucks, like in the monthly, almost 3 months, it really wasn't no like uptrend. It was kind of going down. So, it could be that, but who am I to say, right? I'm just giving you guys my personal opinion and experience on it. Because Pfizer ripped, right? But only it ripped intraday. It didn't really go bananas on ER. Like it didn't rip like $3 or $4 after hours. And if you look at that chart in the 3-month span, it's dog water. So, keep that in mind. So, KHC, I think, wait, I think I got one more. Was it Clorox? Let me see, gang. I'm not too sure if it was Clorox. No, it was not Clorox. I gotta go to my KBH. This one's safe put me on. This joint's just steady climbing, man. I don't know. Let's see how it looks on the dairy. Oh, it's kissing with the RSI. Nice double bottom MACD. So this joint wants to hold. It doesn't want to fold. So this is resistance. So 55 calls would be the banger on this. Let me see. 55, 40, 40. Damn, it's literally right there. But I think it's up after hours. I want to verify with you guys. One sec. Shit, yeah, it's at 54.87 after hours. Damn, chances are this is gonna rip in 55s if this is gonna keep up in the morning. So yeah, just wait for that alert right here, because once it hits 55, you can't really get in. It's gonna be no reward really. Just wait until that alert hits. But KB home looks good on all indicators to the upside. IV watch VMW VMware. Put WMW. Come on, bro. Get it together. So this is on IV watch. So tomorrow they ripped to 1-6 deuce. So they're saying, yeah, I could leave this alert. I'm gonna leave this alert for you guys for the IV. Because right now it says 162. This is 163. Yeah, definitely. Hopefully we get this one. It's an IV play, so I'm not even gonna look at these I mean, this pushing up, but I'm not gonna look at these indicators. When it comes to IV plays, none of these indicators work. You just gotta see where it's ripping from and then try to dictate where you want to get out. So if it does
Bingo.
this cracks that, we're gonna go to 160 fizzy. Let me see. Yeah, 160. Yeah, 165, almost 166. Now, if we get freaking bulls, then obviously it'll rip the top and try to test this price level. But I like VMW. Climbing was talking about Bumble, so that caught my attention when I was going through my watch list. Let's see why. Inside day kind of. Double bottom so far extended, it could easily reject. This could be double top, double bottom into a double top. This okay. Let's see. Then you got ER. Yeah, you gotta be patient on this one, gang. Right here. Let's wait over here. Wait till 19. It's already at 1907, so wait till 1915 for Bumble. It's crazy because we played Bumble like 3 weeks ago. I played, yeah, it was the 20 calls and we printed on it. Yep, the 20 calls. So it might be revisiting. So 20 calls is not bad on Bumble. Yeah, I see it. All right, last but not least, gang. Marvel looks very, I don't know, it's just been holding strong. Bullish engulfing. Candles overlapping this whole candle right here. Nice. Wow. Oh yeah, okay. Marvel, are you gonna do something epic? 66.80. And where's this wick at? So I will wait till 67 cracks on Marvel. But I like it upside. I'm gonna put 67. 10. Marvel. Bless you, of
Appreciate you.
course. Yeah, so I like Marvel. This is a nice little thought. It's ugly, you can't see because all these candles and wick, but the double bottom right here and it ripped up from there. Alright. Alright, any names y'all want me to talk about, gang?
Yeah, Leo has Ford and Microsoft.
Guessing he's in. Alright, rookie of the year, Ford looks good, bro. It
Yo,
just,
Ford had that they started reproduction of the Lightning, that new electric vehicle.
so this has to hold. We gotta keep above the 200. Once we hold up here and continue, then we got, but it looks good. This looks good. This looks, I mean, obviously because it's light pink, it looks good. So it could be some bears getting exhausted out of here, but yeah, I will put some time on this. Yeah, but yeah, it looks good for the upside. I'll put an alert around, I'll say 1360. Cause if it rips up, I think it's gonna slice through the 50 once it reaches that. So I'll put a 1370 alert on that one. Let me talk about Microsoft again. Mess up T. Where the hell? Oh, I was about to say, where the hell's my RSI? Oh, okay. Alright. This is a fire by area. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, Microsoft likes to dance in this level. This is a good level. Yeah, I like how it holds the 50. You notice these 4 candles on the daily protected this level. So that means that's good. That means the bulls are definitely holding this price. So I would go long on Microsoft basically above my 9 or 20. It's crisscrossing, it's webbing, but once we get above this 9 and 21, then yeah, all green light on Microsoft. I don't see it going down after that. If he's bullish, it looks bullish, those two.
Yeah, he just wrote thanks, bro.
All right, of course, bro. Of course, you're welcome.
Cause
Yo, talk to me, bro.
have you ever heard of Andy, ANDE, like Andre without the R? There you go.
Nope.
The Andersons. What do you think of that chart?
Oh, what was that one I was looking at?
It's Bursch.
Birch. Yo, he been saying that lately. I've been on mute dying.
He's been tripping me out.
Yo,
Yeah,
so
'cause
they just
I'll be
reported
like,
earnings.
Burr. That's why. Burr.
Yeah, yeah.
Bursch. Yeah,
They
it
just
looks fire, bro. Cause the fact that this candle overlapped 1, 2, 3, almost 4 to 5 days of price. That's very Bursch. I like that. So
yeah, I put the
I don't
macro
even know
alert
what
at.
level. What level you gonna put, bro? It's there. It's peaking.
Yeah, I mean after hours they went up after because they had earnings. So I'm gonna put I believe
Oh, yes, it's right here. My
yeah,
blind eye.
dogs. Nah, you good, you good. I
Uh,
want to
Yo,
see what happens tomorrow.
surprise! Holy shit, they did good, bro.
Yeah, but then you got that red surprise right there
Wait,
on
oh yeah, I was
revenue.
going down. I was like,
They
wait, there's another surprise
they,
down there on
they got
revenue.
smoked on revenue.
All right, so on revenue, on revenue, they got a surprise to the downside, but on
Yeah.
earnings, they got a surprise to the upside. All right, so 50-50. Can't be mad at that. Okay. Let me pull it
So
up
we
on
can
the
add.
hood, bro. Let me see how this looks on the hood. Hold on.
Yeah, you know what time it is.
ARDE. All right.
No, ANDEA.
My bad.
Yeah,
ANDE.
you
I
good, you
gotta
good.
add this to my watch list. This
And
is
it's a twofer.
considered materials, agriculture, Ohio. Okay. Yeah, bro, this is definitely IV. Yeah, IV approach.
Right? Day
Yeah.
one. Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna add it to
Fire.
my watch. I got you, bro. Good looking
Thank
out.
you. Nah, for sure. I have that one. I already had mentioned you and Amirius on workday.
Work day. Yeah, I was walked away from
Yo, Cam,
work day look juicy. What's up, bro?
have you ever heard of OZK?
OZK? Nah,
Yeah,
I'm put it
it's
up
a
right
bank.
now. OZK. Let me see. Workday. Damn, workday was a banger today. Yeah, see
Yeah.
some continuation available.
They broke macro on workday, and then what'd you say? OZK?
OZK.
Yeah,
I'm putting it up
OZK.
right
They were
now.
talking about trying to short this shit earlier, but I think banks are done being short.
It looks like a fucking
They,
short play though. I'm gonna be honest, bro.
You think so?
yeah.
Because of the MACD and all that?
Yeah, that's why. That's why. And
Oh, yeah. I'm looking at it now. I had to
yeah,
zoom
It's
out.
it's pin barring in a spot, or not pin
and
barring, but it
this
has a
shoulder,
long
head
wick.
and shoulder. Look at his head and shoulder. Weak as hell on
True.
the left shoulder or right shoulder, wherever you want to put it.
Good eye on the RSI.
Yo, they were talking about shorting the shit out of that.
On
Yo,
NBC?
it might be.
Maybe it was Keen. It was somebody on Twitter.
I'll have to
I
check
wonder
flow
why.
on
Let
that.
me see how this looks on the hood. I wonder why they want to short it. Hold on. OZK.
I think they
Never
were
heard
like
of
put. Was it put debit spreads? I'll have to go find it and post it.
Oh, it's bank related. That's why. Okay, I'm
Yeah, correct. Bank
and they had
OZK.
earnings.
It's probably
Yeah,
Bank of the
recently,
Ozarks.
right?
Oh, they had earnings too, bro.
Just recently, right? Like 2 days ago.
Today, bro. Wait.
Oh, it was today.
No, they had
No,
earnings last
It's
week.
not. It's not today. It had. This is news. This is a fucking lightning, not an E. I'm sorry. Bank
Yeah,
United.
their earnings like 8 days ago.
It was on
Yeah,
the 20th, so it was a couple. It was like 2 weeks ago, maybe.
yeah. I see it over here. Oh, over here, right? Yeah. Oh
Mm-hmm.
shit, they actually did good. Okay.
Yeah, they ripped
they-
on the finish for a minute.
Yeah, they did rip on ER. No low key. Why would
And
they
we
want
got
to short it?
smoked on fucking Pack W. I'm trying to see if I can find it right now.
It does look like a fire short though, yo. Look at this shit. I don't even gotta pull up the line graph, but I'll
The
show
double top right
you.
there.
Look at
Yeah.
this. Look at this
Yeah,
line graph.
yeah.
Head and
Like
shoulders.
kind of dick down at least to here.
For sure.
Yeah. Yeah,
Man,
man.
that's a good short one.
We got some
And my
bears, we got some bulls and some bear plays for tomorrow. Not bad.
my last one is TTD, broski. But I think you're gonna find it similar to workday, and that's because of Namirius. He was hawking TTD. Same thing with Cadillac Jack, but TTD might confirm tomorrow. Macro.
Yo, go look at MATV. My bad, I didn't mean to cut y'all off.
No, you good. Now we can
Yo.
double top here. TTD, we're
Yeah,
fishy on.
shit.
Which
Double
one, my
top
brother?
or-
My bad. What
You
was the
talking
name?
about?
No. TTD. Oh, my bad. I didn't even get my analyst. Downside, bro.
Thank you, broski.
This is the only thing that looks uppy, this Mac, but I value RSI. And I
It's
see
more
it,
of a telling.
see it a double top, right?
For sure.
Okay, all right, just making sure. Obviously, you shorted it once it goes under a certain level, so you want to clear short entry. I think gotta wait. I'll say
Like
under.
87.50s.
I'll say under here, bro. 57.
Yeah.
57.50. Yep.
87.50s. So
Yep.
thank you, bro.
And you go long, obviously, break of
It's
discount.
about macro. Mm-hmm.
You got it.
Yo,
Thank you.
What's the other one, bro?
MATV. That shit is crazy. They're about to have earnings on the 8th, bro, in 7 days.
Oh wow.
Yo, what percentage is that the stock rip? Like
Huh.
7% in a day, 10% in a day?
13% today.
It went from 16 to fucking almost 18.
My dog's already in it. My boy that I tell y'all about that I grew up with, I think him and his like one of his coworkers are in it. I'm
Yeah.
like, yo, what the fuck do y'all be finding?
Yeah. Wait, do I even got this? Let me put it in my watch. Let me see if I got this in my watch.
Crazy on
Some
the
things I
daily.
be having, I don't even know I'm having. Hold on. MATV.
It's like a chemical company or some shit.
Never heard this company in my life.
Me either.
Crazy candle.
Oh yeah, I do have it in my watch list. That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, damn, he caught the dip. Yo, wow. This joint was bleeding for like 3 months straight, bro. And he
Yo,
just,
they got earnings in 7 days.
yeah. So, and on this one, bro, if you want to get in with your boy, yo, I will wait for the 17 bounce, bro. If you could get in on the 17 bounce, that would be fire.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause right now it could definitely go to 17. Cause today that was kind of support. Then new support was 1740. So those two zones I'll watch 1740 and 17 climbing
Okay.
for like a bounce entry. Like
Hell
prep,
yeah. Yeah.
not like you did with Lumen.
Hell yeah. Bro, dude, what was up with that Lumen? They had ER,
Talk
right?
about it since we was basically, well, you was in we was guiding you. It was fire play.
Oh no, I'm talking about Lumen. You talking about Laser?
Oh fuck
Yeah,
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 bro. My bad.
Laser
I
was.
was talking about Laser, not Lumen. Lumen was a fake pump for ER, and that's all it was, bro. It was
Oh yeah,
ripping.
they sold it off like heavy,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. It ripped. It ripped. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, Laser,
Laser
bro. Laser,
Laser has room tomorrow still for continuation, and they got earnings.
you gave the blessing. I was like, I'm not missing this.
Yeah,
No, look at Roku. Go look at Roku.
yeah.
Oh man, Roku. Shit,
Like
Roku
it's gonna
would have.
continue.
I want to see if
Roku
we
would
can get in on a
have.
bounce on Laser. Let me see, gang. Let me see. Cause Laser was fire, bro. This
Right.
chart was a beautiful chart on the 15, man. Like, bro, this is a freaking trader's dream right here, yo. Nothing but green candles, bro. Damn. So I
For
think
sure.
this one is gonna come down. No, they're gonna take, like Clap says, profit taking. No, they're gonna take profit. They're just gonna take profit. And I believe this is the level right here that we gotta watch on Laser. So I'm gonna put it just because I want to catch it too. I don't want to miss it. So I'm gonna
We're
watch
gonna,
a
we're
seven.
gonna get Blazer.
Yeah, and if it rips, it'll be a nice like dip buy before ER. It has potential to keep going, but I like this area for a bounce. I feel like if it decides to slice through this, I expect to bounce here, which is not that far from each other. You understand? So either way, it's like I'm falling from the first floor still. So yeah, man, Laser was a good fucking find, bro. Touche on that one.
Gracias, sir.
Yeah, man. All right, gang.
That's
So,
it for me, bro. Thanks for everything.
nah,
Yeah, bro. Appreciate you as always.
I killed it, bro. And Cipher especially, bro.
You know,
Oh, we
back
catching the
tomorrow.
cat continuation tomorrow, bro.
Tomorrow we on deck. Yeah, tomorrow, man. New day, new mindset. I
For
leave all the
sure.
bullshit
We
today.
gonna get this shit back tomorrow.
In
Okay,
blood, bro. And you know me and
I'm
you, like when
taking.
it comes to
I
vengeance.
Yeah. So game plan for me tomorrow is I'm not jumping. I mean, obviously, if it's an IV play,
Yeah. Going to
I'll
light
go in.
size.
I don't care. Yeah, but I'm waiting till the market pans out until after 10 to catch a banger because I
For
need to
sure.
recover. I need to recover. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, because yo, that ADP employment is gonna give us direction in the morning because they've been
Yeah,
waiting.
I'm gonna wait till 10, bro, and see what we
There
do.
it is, bro. Fire trade on DE Simple Digital too, bro. Don't forget it. Don't forget who you are.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. We called. I mean, we did what we did. We told everybody watch Cat,
Yeah.
watch Cat, and watch Pfizer. We told everybody.
Oh,
I gave people the strikes that
sure.
I'm watching on Cat, so everybody
Sure,
should
bro.
at least print it on Cat if you have them funds, of course. But I know
Of
it's kind of
course.
pricey, but Pfizer was the cheap one. Anybody could took that one. So
Yeah.
and Leo was on it like white on rice, so I didn't even
He
have to.
was. He was, bro.
He's
He don't
always
he
on
don't play, bro. He don't play. He's
So,
always on the movers.
so those 2 day trades were definitely printable. No excuses, nothing like that.
I be
So
trying to pay attention to the
For sure, dude.
chat, and the moment I lose fucking focus on the chat, like I come back, I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Like, what is he in? He be
yeah. Yeah, he usually would say it too in the like beginning.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, he'd be like,
watching
I'm
this.
watching
He'll
Always,
this.
ask for our
always.
input, always.
Yup.
Watching this and that.
Man,
We
it's
give him
insane,
input. But
like crazy.
yeah, man, he knows what he's doing. All right, man. Keep killing it. Proud of you guys.
Likewise,
Y'all
my
print
brother.
makes my day. I'm not stressing it. I'm gonna just come back tomorrow and do what I gotta do.
Oh,
So,
for sure. Everybody already know you're a killer, bro. Tomorrow, bro. We ride.
yeah, bless.
Tomorrow, man.
Hope the
You
baby
too.
girl's good, bro.
She's good, bro. Thank you. I didn't kill that nurse to take her life. We good.
All right, bro.
All right, y'all boys.
All right,
All right,
beef
later.
gang. See ya.